I'm gonna crowdsource this because it's kind of driving me nuts. Talked to a couple people and we can't figure it out. We're trying to figure out what other song has the same sound as the new like Bruno Mars I Just Might song. Cause you know it goes da 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 da. Oh, da 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 da. Oh. I know that I've heard this before, and it's totally okay that he's using it. I'm not claiming anything, but it's just some other song has this sound. So please, if you know it, please comment it, and please help me solve this brain puzzle. You can be the missing piece in this puzzle with your encyclopedia of musical knowledge. You can help me. We can help each other. Oh, it's like a boogie. It's a disco, roller rink kind of song. Please help.